This morning, a routine traffic stop turns into a huge drug bust up in Pontotoc County. The sheriff's department got that after discovering over 715 pounds of marijuana and 26,500 marijuana-infused gummies. They found these inside a car. On Sunday, the narcotics unit conducted a daytime traffic stop. Look at that. On a vehicle near Sherman. Officials later announced the arrest of Jermaine Berrett for trafficking a controlled substance. Berrett was in the U.S. on a work visa. Officials say the value of those narcotics confiscated worth more than $2 million.
What's happening? Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. Now, guys, this morning is a different vibes, a different movement, a different motion. Yes, guys, so this morning I want to talk to you about a news of a Jamaican national get caught in the state of Mississippi. Now, guys, if you all don't know about Mississippi, Mississippi is deep down south. You don't want to get catch doing anything that is wrong in Mississippi. News burst that the jails in Mississippi is brutal. At one point, there was a news that in Mississippi, they find bodies burned behind the jails. In Mississippi. That's Mississippi. You don't want to get catch in Mississippi. A few weeks ago, there was a Jamaican lady stated that she was caught trafficking drugs in the U.S. and they sent her to Mississippi. And she said, that's not a very good place to go to jail for nobody. Not even her enemy. Now, my viewers and subscribers, this Jamaican national, Jermaine Berrett, who lives in Nevada. Nevada is very far from Mississippi, very, very far from Mississippi. He happened to decided to take a chance. Because that must be the reason why he did what he did. Take a chance to carry marijuana, over 714 pounds of marijuana, and 26,500 of marijuana infused gummy to North Carolina. On his way to North Carolina, for some reason he get pulled over. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I always say this. If you are not the only person doing something, don't do it. For some miraculous reason, he was pulled over. And when he was pulled over in Mississippi, that's when all hell break loose in his life. Because he won't be seen back the day of light for a very long time. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I cannot tell anyone what to do or what not to do. We all know life is rough. We all know we need money. Opportunity comes in all different forms. But whenever time opportunity comes in something that will take your freedom away. I believe you should sit down and think about giving up your freedom. I all know you're thinking about how much money you can make, how much money you'll have. But you also have to think about the freedom, your freedom, and how you will live your life. Now, my viewers and subscribers, from January 1st, 2025, we've been having a lot of more arrests because you have every single authority out in full colors. And I'm wondering to myself, how do you think you go get away with these things forever? If you don't know, let me initiate a little bit. I don't know if I call that word well. In America, you may think you get away with things. But when you think you get away, is they allow you to get away because they're looking at the bigger picture. They're not looking at the small picture. They're looking at the wider lens. So they let you get away. They will let you get away for days, weeks, and months, and years. Because they want to know where the main part of it is. Now, I've read a bunch of comments about somebody snitch, somebody must have said something. And I want to say this. Whether if someone snitch or whatever happen, you have to think about yourself first. Think about yourself first. That money is good. That money is nice. Your freedom is more important. Your freedom will always be more important. I don't want to sound like I'm perfect, because I'm not. But it's hard to keep going on the news, seeing the news flash up, realizing that your own fellow Jamaicans is getting catch with drugs and guns, and you know what that do for other Jamaicans is put them in that thing where, oh yeah, that's a Jamaican, let's check him. He should have something. He have something. You know, so in other words is what I'm trying to say to my fellow Jamaicans. We all need the money. We all need every single dollar we can get. But please, I'm asking you, sit, think about your freedom before you think about the money. Because here, $2 million. And the question is, how much of that $2 million go be his? When, let's say he went through deliver the drugs, how much of that money would be for him? Because if it's his, And when he deliver or when he do whatever, that whole money is his, that's good. But let's say you're working for somebody. How much of that money go be yours? You may be getting 1,000, 2,000, I don't know. But what I'm saying is we all need to think before we do these things. And again, as I said before, I'm not perfect. But it's hard to see every day you wake, every day you get up. There's another Jamaican, there's another abroad in Jamaica. It have to stop, man. It have to stop, because at the end of the day, we have to think about our freedom. That's just how I'm putting it, you know. So, guys, what should I say? You know, he was living in Nevada, and he was in the US on a work visa. Yeah, he was on a work visa, so you know, you come up on a visa to work. So I understand you go want to look some extra money, you know, on a work visa, and he was transporting from California. Yeah, so he was driving all the way from California to North Carolina. Now let me say this. Cross-state driving is dangerous. Let me tell you why it is dangerous. When you're driving from cross-state and you're reaching to certain state and they see your license plate, yeah. When they see your license plate, immediately they start thinking, why are you here? Where are you coming from? In a state like Mississippi, that's how they go think. I have a friend who lives in Mississippi. Well, he used to live there, and he didn't heal at the heal sign. Heal sign is not stop. He didn't heal. He said he slowed down, and he looks, but he didn't stop. But it's not a stop sign. And he said, well, as soon as he drive out, there comes the light. Police pull him over. He says they give him a hard time. He didn't go to jail, but he ended up have to go to court. Because that's what Mississippi is. As long as you are, you know what I mean? Mississippi is dangerous. So, as I believe, as soon as he reach in Mississippi, they see that license plate, they go pull him over. Because I'm not going to say somebody snitch on him. I don't know. I wasn't there. I wouldn't want to be there either. You know, so while thinking, I just think that's what happened. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for listening. And comment. Let's talk about this. Let's discuss this situation. Let's see where is the problem and if the problem can stop in this situation. On the behalf of myself, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, peace and love. I'm out.